Have you ever wanted something from a store or dreamed of going somewhere warm on vacation like Hawaii to immediately think of in your mind, I don't have the money? In this video, you're going to learn how to make more money so I don't have money will never cross your mind again. Because in reality, believe it or not, 72% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck and don't even have enough money for basic necessities like food and rent, let alone buying a luxury bag like Chanel or spending their extra money to go on a trip to Disney World. But the thing is, you don't have to live that reality anymore. Now, I'm not gonna say it's easy and you're gonna become like a millionaire overnight, because let's be honest, creating a life where you don't have to worry about money at all whatsoever is hard work. But I so promise you, it'll be well worth it. So here's how you're gonna stop being broke and actually make more money. And if you're new here, my name is Sabah, the owner of a multi-six-figure online business. And I used to be broke, making $500 a month, living at my dad's house in Iowa, to moving to sunny Florida and hitting $50,000 in one single month. Before I started making over 6 figures a year, I was super overwhelmed in how I was going to make it because I didn't know all the steps of how to actually make money in my life. So I'm gonna tell you what I learned so that way you don't have to figure it out on your own anymore. So here's exactly what you're gonna do to start making money today. Now, the first step is goal setting. Now, this isn't just writing down, I want to make $1 million in your notebook, but to be really specific and realistic when you're setting your goals. So instead of writing something super broad, like I want to make $1 million, write something specific like this. I want to make $500 more than what I usually do this month. Now, doing this allows you to make sure your goal is actually achievable and realistic, especially if you're not even making that much money right now. And to be honest, this was a huge mistake that I made a few years ago when I was trying to hit $100,000 in one single year. I hadn't even made $1,000 in 1 month. Was still in college at the time, didn't know how to make more money, didn't even have a job or a business to help me make that money. So making $100,000 was just not feasible for me back then. So the overwhelm and pressure got to me, and it took me a lot longer to hit that milestone. But if I had set the goal of making $500 more than what I usually did every single month, I would have gradually worked my way up of making that much money. So as tempting as it is to be like overly ambitious when it comes to our goals, we also want to be realistic. Now, the second part of setting your goals is breaking your larger goals into smaller ones. This makes your goal much more manageable to achieve, and then creating a timeline for when you want to accomplish each goal by. So this way you can see all the small adjustments and progress that you make over time. Plus, when you break down a big goal into smaller chunks, it just feels less scary because you can actually see each of these steps as something achievable versus the big goal that might take a lot longer. For me personally, I break down my big goals into weekly small ones. So every Sunday when I get ready for the week, I know what goal I want to reach by the following Sunday and what steps to do every single day of the week to actually get there. So for an example, if your goal is hitting $500 in extra cash every single month, the smaller goal is $125 per week. Now, if you break that down per day in what you actually have to do, you'll have to ask yourself, do I need to work more hours at my job? Maybe sell things around the house, or maybe start your side hustle and the business you've been wanting to get that extra cash flow. And side note, if you do want to make your own money online, watch this video tutorial on how to make $100 a day. I laid out my entire strategy of how to create, launch, and sell your own products in one single day. Now we've covered the basics, let's talk about the most underrated strategy that'll make you more money than you have ever dreamed about. The second step to stop being broke is, you guessed it, your mindset. But once again, this is not just saying positive affirmations over and over again, like I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, but believing you can actually be rich, and that is what I call an attraction mindset. When you set a goal to make more money in your life, you have to actually believe it is possible for you and know that money will come to you after you take the action towards it. Because many times we take the action, or we don't even take the action out of fear that the money won't come. So then we end up taking no action at all, or super inconsistent, thus never reaching our goal of making more money. So one process that I do to stay in like an attraction mindset is rewarding myself every single time I take an action towards my goal. of making more money. So for an example, if I need to sit down for an hour and create content knowing that will allow me to grow my audience, sell my products, and make more money, I will block out in my calendar 1 to 2 hours to write, script, and record those videos. And after I do that, I'll reward myself by going to the cafe, getting a smoothie, or calling up my best friend and having a fun conversation. This creates a positive habit loop for you to take action towards your goals without fear because you actually have a reward at the end after you're done taking that action, thus keeping you in a very attractive mindset. Another strategy that I love doing to keep myself in this mindset throughout the day is reminding myself of my worth. I used to have 3 to 5 alarms set on my phone throughout the day that said, check in with yourself. When the alarms would go off, I would spend at least 1 to 2 minutes checking in with myself and reminding myself of my value, worth, knowledge, and skill that I have to share with the world. And that helped me stay in the frequency of receiving more money because I knew I was meant to make so much more than I was back then. And the thing is, most of the time, people won't make money not because they're not worthy of it, but because they don't believe they are worthy of it. Mindset is everything. And once you get in the routine of taking action consistently and believing you're worthy of making money, you will start reaching all of those small goals that you set and eventually reach your biggest goal. And the third strategy goes hand in hand with mindset, and that is visualization. So as we just talked about, a big issue with making money is believing we can actually make more of it. Sometimes our minds cannot comprehend something that huge, especially if you're only making like $1,000 a month and you want to be making $10,000, $30,000, or $50,000 in one single month. But if we visualize them over and over and over again, our subconscious mind will start to believe we are actually living it right now in real time. Now, the most important thing when it comes to visualizing is not just visualizing us having the big goal of making more money, but seeing ourselves take the action and reaching the small goals that we set for ourselves. Because remember, it's easier for our brains to see us do and achieve realistic goals. So when we actually go out and do them, in reality, there is no fear because we have already basically done it before in our minds, thus not having any fear, doubt, or resistance. And for me personally, I love spending at least 10 minutes a day visualizing. And within those 10 minutes, I see myself taking action towards my goals, achieving the small ones, and of course, making more money. And if you want a more detailed example of like, what do I actually visualize? For me, it might look like seeing myself host and get ready for like an online training, writing up the slides, posting on social media, promoting it, doing the actual training, inviting people to buy my offer at the end of the class, and then picking up my phone and seeing payment notifications come through. That is what I visualize when I spend 10 minutes a day doing it. And once again, this puts us in a state of receiving an attraction because when we actually go out and do it in reality, there is no fear because we have already done it before. And it'll also reprogram your mind on how you see yourself. So for example, if when you go out to dinner, the bill comes and you always have this anxiety and fear in your body of like, oh my gosh, now I have to pull out my credit card and pay for this dinner, and then I have to like eat at home for the rest of the week because I don't get paid until the following Friday. You taking the time every single day to visualize yourself at dinner, pulling out your credit card, knowing you have more than enough money to pay this and more, will help you actually start to attract more money because you believe you are worthy of going out to dinner and not having to worry about money. And I geek out on visualization because it has helped me so much reprogram my mind and train myself to become a new person who has a great relationship with money. And I can make a whole nother video just on visualization. So if you want me to do that and you want to learn more about how I really practice visualization every single day through my meditations, comment below visualization and I'll make sure to make another video on it. Now, to wrap up this video and to stop being broke so you can actually make more money is finding a mentor or accountability partner. If you are not around somebody who is making a lot more money than you are, you need to find a mentor or community like today. Because one of the reasons why I became super successful fast in my 20s was because I got in the room and surrounded myself with people that were making like literally millions of dollars. So I attended events, networking parties, conferences, and I paid to learn from mentors, coaches, courses, and communities of how to be more successful. And I became so passionate about mentors and coaches that I became one myself. Because the thing is, having someone guide you to success without making the mistakes, you wavering in your mindset, and being inconsistent will pay off in the long term. And not only will they give you the strategy of how to actually get there, they will check in with you daily, weekly, and monthly to make sure you are on track with your small goals so you actually hit your big ones. Because we already know this, it's very easy to let ourselves down at the end of the day, but it's not easy to let somebody else down. So if you have someone there to support you, guide you, you will always reach your goal of making more money. And that's why I also made my own community, Monetize Social Membership, to help support those who are trying to grow their social media and online business to attract clients every single day. And my channel right here is also a community. So comment below and let me know, what does your goal look like when it comes to making more money? How much more do you want to make this year? So that way we can all support you in making your goals come to life. Because you're meant to be rich, not broke, and build the most unforgettable life, but that starts by taking action. So as always, if you guys love this video, make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. So until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.